Yeah.
Well, it's been a pretty chilly winter, and I'm not complaining. It's been probably 3 years since it's been this cold. Earlier this week it was -4. Right now it's about 0, so still pretty chilly, but it feels a whole lot warmer than -4 anyways. We get people that call the office and say, well, it's cold, should I change my oil? And we go, no, just let the splitter warm up like you would a vehicle. You know, let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes on idle, rev it up to quarter throttle, and start splitting slowly. You know, no need to go crazy right away. I've been splitting for maybe about 10 minutes here, and that pump has got a nice lukewarm feel to it. Let's get a little warmer still, but beyond that, it won't get too much warmer, and I can start speeding up from there, sort of thing. So either way, I got a whole bunch of wood here, more than I need for next season anyways, and it's all from a factory we bought for the new split fire plant. Had a whole bunch of trees on it, and unfortunately they had to come down for parking lots and the new addition we're putting onto that. But I got maple, I got some poplar, I got a bit of walnut mixed in, whole slew of stuff. So we're splitting it up, and after I let it dry for a season, it'll be good to burn next year. You might notice kind of got a bit of a white spray on the machine. That's because I towed it here from the shop, and the roads are a little salty. Up in Canada, unfortunately, they salt the absolute crap out of the roads. And I wish they would just use sand, but apparently it's not how it works. Unfortunately, our vehicles pay the price, but I'll have to make sure I give this a good pressure wash to make sure that it doesn't sit and start rusting or corroding after a while, but I'll get her washed up. One thing I wanted to say was, people sometimes are not sure what to order between the heavy duty hubs and the regular low speed, as we call it, but I'm 10 minutes from the shop, and I got no problem towing this at 50 mile an hour. And you gotta love the log splitter stop. Cut on a huge angle, put it in there, watch. Doesn't slip. If that was a flat log stop, I'll be walking away with a limp right now. Get a log lifter, or at least get a machine that you can put a lifter on. Hope to be 70 one day. I definitely want a lifter just to lift the wood up. It's just fantastic. You can't beat it for stuff like this. If I didn't have a table, I'd be struggling with a lot of the stuff I'm doing. That's enough for this video. Mics are frozen. Camera's almost out of battery. It's a little too cold, but I'm enjoying it. It's a good time. We had a good winter, so I know you guys way south are getting cold too. And I just wish we had more snow, but maybe that'll come. Either way, you'll see us in a couple weeks with a new machine, hopefully, and we should be able to do some factory updates on the new place we're going to. That'll be kind of exciting as well. But either way, good to see you guys, and enjoy the winter.